In the name of God, I'm Rosa, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to knot a 5-petal flower knotted cushion that is two-colored. We have yellow and gray. We'll start with yellow because the inside petals of the flower is yellow and the outsides is um, gray. In the previous videos, I taught you how to make this braid. So subscribe in my page and watch the previous videos to see how to make this braid at home. Let's start with the yellow one, yellow side. In this photo, I'm showing you the steps of the knot. So pay attention to it carefully. At first, put the braid this way, as you see. We pull this from here, put it on this one, and we have this. Rotate the braid so that the seam of sewing will be toward the center of the flower. Rotate it. It's so important. We take the other side, pull it from here, put it on here, pull it here, put it on here, and we take it out. Rotate the braid. Whenever you saw the seam is rotating and it's going to be shown, rotate it so that it will be here. The first petal is going to be ready, but we should adjust it so that just the yellow braid stays in the inside petals of the flower. The inside is yellow completely. From here is the border of gray and yellow. We are going to double the petals. So follow the inside petal. We pull it here, take it from here, and pull it out. Next step, put it here, pull it from here. Here, it's going to be finished, but we should adjust the braids so that we cannot see the seams. We start from this one, rotate it, and so the gray one, we rotate it and adjust it so that the seam of sewing is hidden, and it will become toward the center. And this is the last. So watch it, how beautiful it is. And it is the back of the cushion. We should cut the here and here, pull it, put it under this one, pull, cut these two, and in the next step we are sewing these two together. Put the both seams on each other. Pay attention that it hadn't been rotated before, and fix it with needles. Then start sewing these together. When you needle it to each other, your hands will be free, and it's so easier for you. So it's finished. I put it under this braid, so the place that we sew wouldn't be, and start adjusting the braids to make it more beautiful and neat. Pull them out somehow. Here I have a seam of sewing. I put a leather on that and sew it here and cover it with that. My name is on this leather, Rosa handmade. So as you see, it is finished. Nice, huh? Start making this cushion at home and enjoy having that. In next videos, I will learn you other knotted pillows. Subscribe my page and make me happy.